This is a bold new chapter for Ferrari with the 849 Testarossa, a plug-in hybrid supersports berlinetta that boldly steps up from the SF90 Stradale it replaces. Packing a total of 1,050 horsepower, this beast combines an all-new, highly reworked twin-turbo V8 producing 830 horsepower with 3 electric motors, delivering 220 horsepower. The result? A car that blasts from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 2.3 seconds and rockets to 200 kilometers per hour in just 6.35 seconds, topping out beyond 330 kilometers per hour. Under the skin, Ferrari's engineers rewrote the rules. The internal combustion engine boasts the largest turbocharger ever seen on a Ferrari production model, with innovations drawn straight from racing tech. Despite the power hike, they've kept the weight steady at 1,570 kilograms dry, resulting in the best power-to-weight ratio in the Ferrari lineup at 1.5 kilograms per horsepower. And yes, that weight includes a clever mix of recycled aluminum alloys to cut CO2 emissions, a notable step towards sustainability without sacrificing performance. Aerodynamics isn't an afterthought here either. Inspired by Ferrari's 1970s sports prototypes like the 512S and 512M, the design is sharp and geometric, generating 415 kilograms of downforce at 250 kilometers an hour. That's 25 kilos more than the SF90 Stradale, boosting grip and stability. Still, some might find the retro-inspired twin-tail design a bit polarizing. It's a bold, stylistic throwback that won't please everyone. Braking and handling get their own upgrades with Ferrari's latest ABS Evo system and brake-by-wire tech for precise, consistent stops. Suspension tweaks include optimized springs and dampers and a remarkable 35% weight reduction in the road springs, all aimed at sharper response and improved driver feedback. The car rides on 20-inch wheels developed alongside Michelin, Pirelli, and Bridgestone. The choice caters to different driving preferences. Electronics are arguably state-of-the-art, featuring the 5 system, a digital twin that estimates vehicle dynamics in real time to fine-tune traction control, electronic differential, and hybrid power delivery. However, the 7.45 kilowatt-hour battery capacity and 25-kilometer electric-only range feel modest considering this is a 1,050 horsepower hybrid. It's a practical compromise balancing performance and a degree of EV usability, rather than a full-fledged electric range leader. The sound fans get a revised V8 that's both louder and richer, designed to keep that classic Ferrari V8 growl intact, while adding a new sonic dimension. The gearbox and engine calibration have also been tuned for a racing-style sound during shifts, especially in the race mode. In summary, the 849 Testarossa is Ferrari's statement of blending heritage, hybridity, and hyper-performance. It's a technically impressive, fast, and sharp driving tool, though its styling and battery electrification might not satisfy all purists or eco-conscious drivers fully. What's the verdict? This is a Ferrari pushing limits in more ways than one, stepping into the future while nodding to a legendary past. Jump into the comments and share what you think. Does the 849 Testarossa hit the right balance, or is it chasing shadows of the past? Don't forget to subscribe for more first-look reviews and automotive insights.